On the road again, begrudgingly.
Saturday morning.
I was gonna try to get some beauty rest this morning, and as you can see, I need it. But Jeff from Desert Roads and Trails called and woke me up. So I called and woke Rob up because they need a jackhammer to install a gate out to Sand Hollow. And we're gonna run out here and see what we can do to help Desert Roads and Trails out. Get a gate installed, a couple quick little holes, and we'll be set. So we'll take you along for the ride. All right, well, we're working our way there. We had to stop at Maverick and get us a cup of ice so we could have some Mountain Dew on the rocks. But I am almost betting you that we're gonna show up out there and Jeff's gonna be there in flip-flops and shorts. Do you think?
$10.
$10. But we're making up for it because we've got our trusty old Levi's on and we've got our steel-toed boots. So we're gonna show up and ready to work and probably be the ones that end up running it anyways. But Jeff loves his flip-flops. You'll never catch me in a pair of flip-flops, especially at the sand dunes.
You'll catch me, probably on my dirt bike, some flip-flops. They're not running a jackhammer.
Yeah, Rob would probably ride his dirt bike in flip-flops. Anyways, we're having a good time already this morning. You get those, I call them the morning goofs, when you're just goofy, not sure what day it even is and wonder why you're even out of bed. But at least I'm not grumpy. It could be worse.
You're like, we're in solid rock. You never would have thought there'd be rock out here.
I'm like, yeah.
I found plenty of rock in my day.
That's what you land on, it's the dirt.
There he is, flip-flops.
That's funny stuff.
I don't think I've met this guy yet.
Oh yeah? Yeah, shake his hand. He's a good guy to know.
We're gonna have to dig some dirt. Oh yeah.
Did I tell you he'd have flip-flops on and shorts? Look, there's another pair of shorts. There's two more pairs of shorts. It gets hot here, and I don't wear shorts, but everybody else does, you see, and
You
sandals.
wear shorts and boots, they'll let you.
Is it going through?
Yeah, it's going
it's
through,
shallow.
back into sand.
Just a
Want some more water?
Turn it into powder.
layer.
Yep. Dump it in there. Let's go. Bring your shovel over and pack her in. We'll turn her down through it.
I'm about all the way that way I can go.
Pack on that side.
Pack on this
Pack
side,
on the,
Keel.
on Casey's side more. The post got to go over. Barely got 7 inches, but that rock is just as good as this concrete. So if we can get it in there and get it straight,
Deep enough?
I don't know.
See if we can get it just a little bit.
Now we're 2 feet. We're 2 foot deep. We gotta go deeper. We gotta go a foot deeper.
Really?
Yeah. To work with that one.
I know one thing for sure, that little generator was the best bore I ever did. Thing's been handy as heck. That bike is going to get us, huh?
Yeah, we're 2'4". Could stick it in there and see. Try not to knock any dirt in. We'll see where we're at.
Okay.
See, here comes the welder. Kevin should be here with the.
Daddy was a welder.
I wonder if the track.
Somebody get off my toe.
You can wear flip-flops.
Yeah, it's about.
It's a little tall.
We're about 6 inches higher. I say go with it.
Push it away from you.
You want the level?
Yeah.
This is
Yeah,
the one the
let's
gate
level
swings
it.
on.
You're going to.
That's a
Look at that beautiful gate.
What
What do you have to say for yourself, Jeff?
nothing.
Did anybody
Hey, we
step,
got it done and it's not too hot yet.
did somebody step on your toe today?
Yeah. I think it was Troy.
Troy?
It
Yeah.
would have been done an hour ago.
With his work boot.
Uh-huh.
That's how.
This is a new design that Chevy come out with.
Aerodynamic.
And how did you say that happened?
That's the turbo exhaust right there.
He wanted to hurry up and get on the lake.
It's a vent.
All right, you guys, I had to get out of southern Utah because it was probably almost as hot as that steam hole coming out up there. So we made it to Yellowstone. Here we are. Take you along for the ride.